Here's my ducks, all sitting down. It's about 6:30, I think. And now I'm going to turn around. And here's the wild ducks. Nobody's fighting. Isn't that nice? And today, the female figured out how to use the water dish, but she doesn't always use it. She'll take the grain, and then she goes over to the pond to get the water. Silly duck. But earlier she was using the water dish, so she's making progress. The male spent the night. That's a first. And then he left about noon today. Boy, he takes a lot of grain before he drinks. Mine usually take one bite of grain and then they go to the water. But he's just stuffing it. Now he learned to go to the water at least a week ago. I mean to the water dish, but originally he was going to the pond as well to get his water. Boy, he takes a lot of grain. Cats. She came back for some more. Let's see if she uses the water dish this time. This is the closest I've been to her. She only comes in the morning to eat, and then again in the evening to eat. I found out yesterday or the day before that there's a nest in front of the school which just is about a block from me. And so I'm going to assume that that's her nest at that school. And there's a creek behind the school. So when the ducklings hatch, no doubt she'll take them to the creek. I don't know how the heck she'd get them here. Although I'm probably just as close as the creek. But little ducklings can't get over fences. And here's my ducks over here being so good. Sometimes they're accepting and sometimes they're not accepting. But tonight, they're being so good. Now that brown one in the background is sweet baby ducker Puffer Ducker, who has 30 eggs in her nest and she's not sitting on them. I don't know what her story is. So I don't think we'll be having any. She just likes to lay eggs and collect them, I guess. The black and white winged Pickadoo is the daughter of the rowan duck and the pekin duck. So she's a rowan pekin, or a pekin rowan. And there's my Mr. Peepers, who I raised as a little fuzzball. Took him everywhere with me in my fanny pack. Give me kisses. Slept under my chin. So of course now he doesn't give me kisses anymore. But I can pick him up to clip his wings. So let's see what I call them the odd couple. I gave them names. The female is Peanut, and the male is Pistachio. And my ducks are Polka Dot, Puffer, Pickadoo, and Mr. Peepers. Are you ever going to get some water there, boy? There's your pretty ducks in your head. I want to see you get some water. The sparrows are waiting for their turn. Nope, he's going to go to the pond. Oh, he's being influenced by the female. I'll be darned. Okay. Well, female will be flying away soon. She's had her food. Now Now she's having her bath. She usually comes, oh, I think she's right on schedule. Yeah, she usually comes close to 6:30 in the morning and close to 6:30 in the evening, but it does vary. She's not always right on schedule. I don't have to have that umbrella right in the middle of the picture, do I? Well, this preening process is going to take a while. It'd be fun to get a video of her flying away, but preening takes quite a while. So, see you later, duckers.